Hello everyone and welcome to How to Make Money from Home Tips, another internet marketing tutorial for online entrepreneurs. Now today we're going to talk about the misconceptions about internet marketing that can be harming your business. So let's go on ahead and move forward. Now we're going to cover the basics. We're going to cover keywords, social media, reviews, your web presence, set it and forget it, and the dreaded Google slap. Now, the internet is constantly evolving, and businesses understand the importance of being found on the internet. But the problem is where to start and how to do the things in the right way. There is a lot of information and a lot of different strategies to market online. The problem is you have got to pay attention. You need to not do certain things or you will not be seen. If you do the wrong things, people will not find you. Now, one issue is with keywords, and we know that keywords are the thing that people use when they are searching. They type it into the search engine to find what they're looking for. Google pulls up the websites that they feel are the most relevant to that keyword. Now, there is something called keyword density analysis, which shows how many times your keyword is used in your web page. The problem is if you put your keywords on those pages too many times, that is considered keyword stuffing. What you need to do is write for your readers, not for the search engines. You might be trying to put your keywords on a page 10 times, but it just does not look natural and it's going to harm you instead of help you. The other problems are when people cloak their keywords. That means that you are making your keywords the same color as the background so they cannot be seen by the reader. The spiders can still see the keywords and they are understanding this is considered to be cloaking. Cloaking your keywords will get you in trouble. It will not help your rankings in the search engines. Another problem is choosing keywords without doing your keyword research. Just because you think that keyword might be good doesn't mean it will actually help you. You need to know the search volume of that keyword. It won't help you to rank for a keyword that no one is looking for. Another problem is if you've got a keyword that has a lot of competition, you need to be prepared to spend time and do a lot of work to get rankings for those keywords. Otherwise, you might end up working hard and not seeing any results. You want to use the terms that are relevant on your page, and you want to use appropriate titles, descriptions, and tags on each page. And each page should be optimized for only 1 to 2 keyword phrases. So what about reviews? Well, you might think that no one is talking about you, but maybe they are. Frequently, people don't even know that they have reviews. Unfortunately, sometimes these reviews are poor. In these instances, you may have a disgruntled customer or even a former employee or competitor that is putting up bad reviews about you. Bad reviews require immediate response. Don't buy reviews or create fake reviews, and this is considered to be harming to your business. The search engines track the IP addresses as well as how frequently reviews are put up. One of the problems is that if your search engine sees a lot of reviews coming from the same IP address, this will hurt you. It will even look fake to the readers if you've got 10 reviews, good or bad, that have been put up in the same day. Also, don't focus on one review site. There are multiple review sites. There are super pages, city search, and plenty more. However, if you don't want to encourage one happy customer to put up the same review at multiple sites because that works against you too. It is also seen as you taking advantage of your customer's kindness. Sometimes sites will pull reviews from other sites. Another tip is that you shouldn't use a computer at your office to have customers put up reviews. This relates back to the IP address problem. Don't think social media can help you? Nothing could be further from the truth. Many business owners are slow to adopt social media because it isn't viewed as an aggressive form of marketing. The problem is that people love to share their experiences with their friends, so it's important to have something going on within the social media front. People can engage with you and you can respond right back. In fact, it's so important that social media is weighted in your search engine rankings. Whether you like it or not, you really need to have a presence in social media. It's also a great form of market research. You can search for posts about your business or industry. You can find out the overall response and needs of your demographics. Once you have a following, you can even ask your followers what they expect and would like to see coming from your business. So what about your web presence? I'm not talking about your website. If you think that's all you need, then you are wrong. Having a website and not doing anything else is just like having a business card on the internet. Unless you specifically send people there, no one's going to find you. So you don't want to put up a website and then do nothing. You're never going to get anywhere that way. If your competition is putting effort into climbing up in the rankings of the search engines, where does that leave you? If you do a search of your industry, what page do you come up on? Are you on page 1, page 2, page 3? If you're on page 3, how many of your customers do you think are seeing you? Where are your competitors? Would you like to be where they are? You really need to have a full web presence. Your website needs to be engaging to both your visitors and the spiders that are coming in from the search engines. A full web presence is not just like just having a website. You need to get found and get known. Having a web presence is about putting content on the internet, where press releases, articles, videos, social media, backlinks, blogging, and podcasting. You can't just set it and forget it. This is just a huge misconception. Everything on the internet has a shelf life. The search engines as well as the searcher are looking for what's new. No one wants to read outdated content. Keep up with your industry and share news. If you have a grocery store and you see two packages of the same food and one has an expiration date for today and the other is a month from now, which one would you choose? This leads to what is referred to as the Google slap. I affectionately call it Google barrier. It is generally known as the sandbox or being sandboxed. If you don't play by the rules, you will get sandboxed by Google. It can take months or longer to get back in the good graces. You have to avoid this at all costs. Bad backlinks, keyword stuffing or cloaking, and poor reviews will all get you sandboxed. These are called black hat strategies. So today, what we have covered in this presentation were the internet marketing basics and appropriate ways of using keywords. We also covered the topic of using reviews, social media, establishing a full web presence, the set it and forget it misconception, and the dreaded Google slap. To receive a free guide on the seven secrets to earning a full-time income online, please visit howtoworkfromhometips.com, or you can call 440-399-3153. That's it. Until next time, thank you.